you can see now, we have a range of glasses to enjoy wine with. So some glasses here are tasting glasses. Some glasses are typical for drinking wine or other alcohol beverages from, and some of them both. So I shall divide this group of glasses from this. So these glasses, snifter, champagne flute, and royal glass, they are not really suitable for wine tastings, but they are very common among wine consumers. So the snifter is used for cognac, whiskey, and other strong spirits. Champagne flute and royal glass for sparkling and champagne wines. But to taste wine better, we are using professional wine glasses. And here are some examples of them. These glasses are very good for white wines. That's more suitable for lighter white wines and Sauvignon Blanc. And this one is more suitable for Chardonnay and Viognier. These glasses are for reds. You can enjoy red wines from both glasses. This one is more suitable for Syrah, Val d'Aron, Burgundy wines. And this one is very general glass for trying and enjoying red wine. Now we're going to pour the wine into 3 different glasses and see what's the difference in tasting. We're starting with a professional wine tasting glass. And see. So it's a very light straw color with nice perlage. Perlage is the play of the bubbles. They're coming up in a string like that. Nice aromas of pears, lime, toasted bread. Mild texture with very good acidity. Some hints of fried almond. Very good wine, quite persistent in the flavors in the mouth. Very good aperitif. And let's see why these glasses are not really suitable for wine tasting. This looks really nice, especially the perlage, right? So the flute is made for enjoying the perlage. You see how bubbles coming up in a very nice way? But when I put my nose, I can't really smell very well what kind of fruits there are there, because a very narrow neck of the glass doesn't allow aromas to come out generously. So not really suitable. And when you drink it, your nose actually stuck in here, in the top part of the glass neck, so not really. This one looks really chic. That's why it's called the Royal King glass or Tsar. Very comfortable to drink, very convenient wine, but again, you actually can't feel aromas or any fragrances, and when you're putting your nose down, it's already inside of the drink, so not comfy at all. So choose the right glasses to taste your wine.